On 9th January 2025, the outlawed General Court Martial charged and sentenced Dr. Kiiza'S lawyer Eron Kiiza with offence of contempt of court by the chairman of the military court, Brigadier General Freeman Robert Mugabe. Eron Kiiza was sentenced to 9-month imprisonment on the contempt of court charge sheet, basing on the Supreme Court decision that declared the General Court Martial's operations as inconsistent with the Constitution and other factors therein. Lawyer Eron Kiiza's legal team filed a bail application before High Court Criminal Division to enable him with temporary freedom pending his main suit, challenging the decision of the then Court Martial. The bail application was filed before Judge Michael Elubu of High Court Criminal Division in Kampala, and lawyer Eron Kiiza, through his legal team, asked court to be granted bail.
Explain to the sureties the duties of a surety. Two of them, by the nature of their training as lawyers, understand that perfectly well. We pray, my Lord, that this Honorable Court finds them substantive enough. We served copies of their documents upon the state, the respondent.
Among those who stood sureties for lawyer Eron Kiiza include his wife Sylvia Anthony Timothy Emelit objected to the bail application on grounds that the presented sureties are not substantial. The parent has not shown any circumstances warranting court to grant him bail, and that this court has no jurisdictions to hear the bail application filed before it, among other grounds.
Our considerations of the sureties were already stated there, and we reiterated in our submissions.
The parent Eron Kiiza was also given a chance to talk to court on his prolonged detention, and he had this to say.
My Lord, it is 76 days since I was illegally detained, and I implore this honorable court to bring that illegal detention to an end.
Judge Michael Elubu has now set 14th April 2025 to deliver his ruling on this case. The applicant Eron Kiiza was further remanded to Kiiza'S government prison.
The bar in East Africa is concerned that an advocate continues to be held in custody for no offense at all, but representing his client. The judicial system, this is an indictment of the justice system in Uganda, that 76 days after pronouncement by the Supreme Court, and in spite of the various applications by Eron's counsels, he continues to be in custody.
Plead with the courts to stand with the rule of law. They know bail is a constitutional right, and we ask that they do follow the law in this case.
Lawyers also expressed concern over the delayed fruits to come out from the Supreme Court verdict.
The people the court-martial put behind bars continue to languish in custody. It's not a very promising development. I am hopeful that the judiciary of Uganda will acquit itself by doing the right thing.
Legal Brains also made some highlights about the warrant of arrest issued against the President Uganda Law Society, Isaac Semakadde.
In as far as the President is concerned, I've always told the members the President is on official duty, but again we condemn things we've been seeing. Today is Eron, today is the President Uganda Law Society, the next day it will be another member of the bar, and before you know it, the whole of the society, all the members of the society cannot practice. This is setting a very bad precedent. So we call upon the judiciary to expedite. The President has, through his lawyers, filed appeals against these decisions.
I want finally to say that we are standing with the President of the Uganda Law Society. He is a member of the governing